Alright, what's up YouTube? Hold on. Alright, I'm just gonna be doing a zippo lighter tutorial today. Alright, basically what I'm gonna be showing you is some tricks, that you can do with the zippo lighter. First, first one is pretty cool. This little hinge, you want to face it away from your face. So it's like right here. Alright, let me do it with a different lighter. Alright. Second one, I can't do this one very well, but this one is kind of cool. I like this. You're not gonna be able to see my face for this one, but what you do is you take it. So what you do is you go like this. Right here, you're gonna like strike it like this. So it opens, and you're gonna drag it back. So it goes like this. And it'll light. Here, I'll do it one more time. Alright. Now this one, I just kind of just randomly made this one up. So watch. Here it is. As you put them together. So yeah, peace out. Stuff quick J1. Subscribe.